Here's a little bonsai pot I have. It's a traditional style ceramic pot with a single drainage hole in the bottom. And normally these drainage holes you have to cover with a mesh to prevent the soil from washing out when you water the tree. And my pot only has one single drainage hole, but a good bonsai pot should have a couple extra smaller holes to tie down the tree, because they can be kind of unstable otherwise, and it's nice to have a wire tying down the tree so it doesn't accidentally tip out of the pot. Anyway, I was planning to 3D print my own bonsai pots, and I looked online to see existing designs, and I was surprised to see that the existing designs I could find were basically copying traditional bonsai pots with one or two large drainage holes and then maybe 4 small holes for tying down the tree. But I thought, why not have very many small holes? That way you wouldn't have to cover the holes with a mesh. So that's what I did. My design looks like this. And I have got very many small holes that I can choose either of these for tying down the tree. But then the rest of the holes will serve as drainage holes. And since they're so small, I don't have to cover them with a mesh. I think this has worked pretty well so far. I think it's keeping my soil dry enough. And I haven't had any issues with the soil washing out when I watered the tree. And this pot here has been painted with a primer. And here's a finished example where you can see I have this wire supporting the plant, preventing it from tipping over.